All right, guys, we've got a 2014 Toyota Corolla, sexy blue. What we got done on it, factory converter there, factory resonator there, 1 3/4 pipe all the way back. And we did a rear muffler delete, as you guys can see right there. Came out nice. They usually come with a big muffler, so you have to get them. To do a muffler delete, you gotta get it custom bent. And then we bought a blue flame tip out the back, right there. Single wall, 3.5-inch tip. Keep the look. Came out nice. There's a factory muffler that was on it right there. So we took that off. You see how huge it is right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. And it is a Corolla S, so it's the Sport. And make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Wow, that sounds good. That's loud. Wow, I don't know. Toyota Corolla. Dude, that hit 117, bro. That's insane. What do you guys think of the sound? Let us know in the comments. That's loud. Let you guys hear on the inside. That's the customer revving it, guys. We don't rev them that high. If you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee. Weather's beautiful today. I hope it's beautiful wherever you guys are at. Here we go.